Meaning of field officer.
Field officer.
Field officer.
Field officer.
Field officer. A field officer is a military rank that is typically given to a commissioned officer who is responsible for commanding troops in an operational setting, such as on a battlefield or in a combat zone. They are often tasked with leading missions and ensuring the successful completion of military operations. This position requires a high level of tactical and leadership skills, as well as a deep understanding of military strategy and protocol. Overall, a field officer plays a critical role in managing and directing troops in a variety of challenging environments.